name is Kuldeep Khechar. I'm from Rajasthan, and I completed my engineering and mechanical from Rajasthan Technical University, and I graduated from there in 2018. Post that, I went for a job which was of a service advisor in a showroom cum service center. So I worked there around 14 months, and as it was not much relevant to what I've studied in my engineering, so I was thinking to go for higher studies. And there I got to know about the skilling from one of my friends, and I thought, okay, this would be really great chance, great option to start the courses from skilling. And so far I've completed so many projects related to electric vehicles successfully. My course has everything starting to which you require to learn to make an electric vehicle completely. So for that, I learned a lot of programming and scripting language like C, C++, Embedded C, MATLAB, and Python. Apart from that, for the tools or the software that I learned are the MATLAB, the Stateflow, Simulink, Advisor tool, the preprocessors like for ANSA, and SolidWorks. Apart from that, I also learned about the battery technology, specifically this lithium-ion cells that are currently used in EVs. So this was a thing, and apart from that, I learned about the control of electric vehicle and different control strategies that we use to control a complete electric vehicle. So these are the things that I learned about it, and the thing I liked about this course is that it is pretty much a package that has everything or that has enough content to make you understand or make you more familiar with that particular technology. So I think from that perspective, this course is really helpful. In Skillink, I had done a lot of projects related to EV, like towing vehicle required to push or pull complete aircraft. So I designed a vehicle for that purpose, and I designed a 18 kilowatt battery pack. These projects were really helpful for me to set in the interview and while answering those questions. So the most of the questions were related to that how did I design that battery pack and why I basically choose those combinations. And then another thing was the calculating the power for the vehicle. So all these questions were asked at my interview, and that I already done it while doing my project. So the projects were really helpful for me to answer those questions. The customer support here helped me a lot. Whenever I had any doubt, whenever I have any doubt, I had multiple options to connect with the customer support team. Like I can go using the through WhatsApp, I can connect them using mail ID, or I could raise a ticket as well on the website. So there are multiple options to connect with with them. And there is another thing, like they reply me really fast. Like I would say, like within 5 or 6 minutes, they will definitely reply. So it was really helpful. Like whenever I stuck in some challenge, I just call them and I just want to sort it that problem right away. So for that, they help me a lot for that for the scene for this thing. Placement team helped me a lot into this. Then I would like to name the person, Vijay Saraswati sir. So he helped me a lot while this journey of to get a placement. And like whenever I used to feel very low about like whether I will get a job or not because of my gap because of my career gap. So I was a bit anxious at that time. So I used to discuss my things and whatever I was thinking at that time with him, and he helped me to come out of the situation and lead me and provided me several materials to learn. The course basically has everything. I would say they have videos, then they have challenge based on those videos, and I would say the videos are enough to get exposure to that new technology. But I would still recommend you to go further, because like even in the challenges they will ask few things which are not covered in the videos intentionally, I will say, because they basically expect it from us to go for an extra research. So we do some extra research and we'll get to know a bit more about that technology, and we will become more familiar with that. So I will suggest after watching the videos, go for some extra research on that and complete those challenges. Like as the because the timing is also really important to complete the challenges. So the third thing is the revision. So like whenever we complete, like after 2 or 3 months we would have completed 1 or 2 modules, and we want to revise the first that we have completed. So it is really important to revise those modules as well, because we don't know, like after completing the finishing of the course, we won't have much time to revise each and everything that we have done in the entire course, and then the length of this course is really long. So you should keep revising the modules that you have completed to make a plan accordingly. During my engineering, I was involved in a project of making of a student Formula car, which was basically hybrid electric vehicle. So from there only, I got this idea to make my future in this technology only. So I was looking forward, even after completing my degree, I was looking to get into a company where I can work on these evolving technologies, specifically in the electric vehicle domain. But like after completing this course, now I finally got a place in Tata, which is really pioneer in this field, and they are really working on really cutting edge technologies to compete in this market of electric vehicle globally. So I definitely wanted to be a part of this organization, and in the upcoming decades there will be a huge changes from the ICE engines to this electric vehicle, and there are a lot of research currently going on in this field. So I would definitely love to be a part of those researches, and being at Tata industry, I definitely think that I will be able to work on those technology in the future.